Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with BankMobile, full guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with BankMobile, first, download the BankMobile app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by following the prompts on the screen. Upon logging in, navigate to the budgeting section within the app interface. Here, you will find options to set up your budget categories. Identify your income sources and enter them into the. Next, list your monthly expenses. This includes fixed costs like rent and variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. Be sure to allocate amounts for each category based on your financial goals. After entering your income and expenses, review your budget summary. This summary will provide a clear picture of your financial situation. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure your expenses do not exceed your income. Utilize the Savings Goals feature to set aside money for future needs or projects. Regularly check your app to track your spending against your budget. The app provides visual tools to help you understand your financial trends. Consider enabling notifications to keep you informed about your spending habits. If you encounter any discrepancies, review your transactions for accuracy. Engage with the financial education resources available in the app for additional tips. As you continue budgeting, update your plan monthly to reflect any changes in income or expenses. This dynamic approach will help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.